Hello, first graders. Remember, the first thing you do is always the same. Pick up your pencil and write your name right here. All right. After you're done writing your name, we're going to start with our first word. Your first word today is the word this. This. Is. Remember, you have that diagraph. The. Is. There's 4 letters and 3 sounds. The. Is. This. Go ahead and write the word this on number 1. Your next word is that. That. Again, 4 letters, 3 sounds. That. That. The. At. If you need more time to write that, please pause the video. That. The. At. Your second or your third word is the word then. The. N. The. N. Remember? So 4 letters, 3 sounds. The. N. Then. Pause the video if you need more time to write the word the N. And if you're not sure of the vowel, look at my mouth. The N. Then. All right, if you did not get to finish 1, 2, or 3, I will go over them one more time. Number 1 is this, the, is. This, the, is. Number 2 is that, the, at. That. And number 3 is then, the, N. Pause the video if you need more time to write this, that, and then for numbers 1, 2, and 3. All right. Number 4 is with, if. 3 sounds, 4 letters. With, if. Okay, this is an unvoiced if. So pause the video if you need more time to spell with, if. I'm going to connect these so that you know. All right. Your 5th word is going to be the word math. 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 And if you're not sure on the vowel for that one, math. All right. And our last and final word is thick. We have that unvoiced. So, k. All right, I hear a short vowel sound here. K. Remember, if we hear a short vowel sound and a k at the end, we have to follow a rule. Ick. Ick. Go ahead, pause the video if you need more time to write thick. Before moving on to our heart words, I just want to make sure that double check your work. We have this, that, then. With, math, and thick. Double check your words and we'll move on to the next section. All right. For our first heart word, we have the word they, a. So we have our digraph, and then we have a. You can see there's a heart word here, a heart here, so it's something you need to memorize. I will tell you, this word has 4 letters. 2 of those letters are a digraph, and 2 of them are kind of like vowels. Well, one is a vowel and one is sometimes a vowel. So the, a. Okay, take some time if you still need to write the word they. All right, now for this one, we go straight over across instead of down. For number 2, we have the word there, air. There is a 5-letter word. We have the beginning sound, that voiced and then we have 3 letters here. And so the air. So there's 3 letters we're supposed to have memorized or by heart. The air. Okay, and I'm going to tell you it is not an A. There are no A's in here. So there's 2 vowels right here, and then the last sound you hear. So the air. Pause the video if you need more time to write the word there. All right. Our third word is going to be the word where. Or no, not where, excuse me. Were. Again, this is one that has 3 letters. Okay, so you have some stuff you need to memorize by heart. Basically, these 3 letters right here you need to have memorized by heart. And then this first sound is right. So Okay, 4 letters. 3 of those letters you need to have memorized by heart. 1 is following the rules. All right, and this is from last week. Number 4 is going to be the word goes. G-O-Z. 4 letters. One of them is following the rules. G, and then we have O's. So if you remember for this one, first graders, you can hear that O sound. So it needs to have another vowel next to it that makes it say its name. And then that Z sound is not the normal Z sound that we hear. It's actually a different letter. So goes. All right, I'm just going to go over them one more time. Number 1 is they. Number 2 is their. Number 3 is were. And number 4 is goes. Pause the video if you need more time. All right. Sentence number 1. I tried to add some things in here to maybe help you this week, and hopefully they'll be able to help you. So our first sentence is she got them a small dish. She is a heart word, and I have a little C here to remind you of a capital letter at the beginning of your sentence. So she. Your next word is got. 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 Then we have the. She got them a small and then we have all. We have a rule here. All. Remember, it's not that O sound that makes that all sound. It's a different letter. So all. And then I have that dotted line there to remember that we got to double that ending sound for small. All. Remember that vowel is not an O, not an O. So she got them a small dish. Digraph. Okay. She got them a small dish. She got them a small dish. And then I put a P here for punctuation. Is it going to be a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark? She got them a small dish. Pause the video if you need more time with this sentence. Press play when you're ready to continue. All right, sentence number 2 is they had a thin, oops, hang on. My bad, first graders. Excuse me. They are on a thin path. They are on a thin path. They is a heart word. Okay, if you can't remember how to spell it, try your best. Otherwise, it is one of our heart words. It is the second one right there. That's where they is, or they is number 1. My apologies. So they, I have a C to remind you that we need a capital letter here. So the A R. Remember our R, how to spell it, 3 letters. The heart word. They are on. They are on a. They are on a. In thin. They are on a in path. They are on a thin path. They are on a thin path. They are on a thin path. Okay, I have a P here to remind you to add punctuation. They are on a thin path. Pause the video if you need more time to write the sentence. They are on a thin path. When you're done, put it in the I'm done pile. And if there's enough time, you can go ahead and play read and roll. Make sure to double check all your work before you're done.